In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for Netflix with Google Pay. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside your Netflix account to add or switch your payment method, and what to do if Google Pay doesn't show up as an option in your region. First, sign in to your Netflix account using your usual credentials. Make sure you're logging into the correct profile for the subscription you want to manage. If you use multiple profiles, remember that billing settings live at the account level, so any changes you make here affect the entire membership, not just one profile. It's also a good idea to confirm you're on a secure connection, and if possible, use the same device and browser where your Google account is already signed in to make the process smoother. Once you're on the Netflix homepage, look to the top right corner for your profile icon. Click it to open the menu. From this drop-down, choose Account. This will take you to the main account settings page where you control your plan details, security, and billing. On the account page, locate the section related to billing and payments. Click Manage Payment Method. This is where you can view what's currently on file and where you can make changes. If you're switching from a card or another provider, don't worry. Updating your details here won't interrupt your membership as long as the new method is added successfully before your next billing date. In the payment screen, you'll see options to add or change payment method. Look for Google Pay among the available choices. If it appears, select it and follow the prompts. You may be asked to confirm through your Google account. Choose a card or bank source already saved in Google Pay and authorize the change. When you're done, Netflix will show a confirmation that your payment method has been updated. If your billing date is soon, it may attempt a quick authorization to verify everything is set. If you don't see Google Pay listed, that's typically because it isn't supported for Netflix payments in your country or with your current currency. In that case, consider trying again from the Netflix mobile app on a device where Google Pay is active, ensuring your billing country and Netflix matches the country in your Google Pay settings. If it's still not available, you'll need to use one of the other methods shown on the screen. And that's it. Log in, open your profile menu, go to Account, choose Manage Payment Method, and add or switch to Google Pay if it's offered. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.